The resistance range has been pegged at 57,600 to 58,000, and that's a pretty broad range. The support range for the benchmark Nifty 50 is between 23,800 and 24,200. It's a pretty broad range there as well. And the bank support is seen at 56,500, 56,100. Now, sugar, select metals and auto are seeing buying. You have IT and PSU banks as well as FMCG that have seen selling. We pointed those individual counters out to you. Yields have risen and they've weakened on account of the RBI shortening the deadline for FCNRB. And of course, that has had a bearing on the currency or is expected to have a bearing on the direction of the currency as well. We'll pull that up for you in just a bit. But you've had a couple of listings today, strong listings at that. Molbio Diagnostics as well as Zoot Transmission, just another two in a list of stocks that have hit the Lal Street and given investors that have chosen to enter during the IPO process healthy returns on listing day. Let's get on board Rahul Sharma, Director Head Equity Research at Equity 99 Investment Advisors, as well as G. Chokalingam, who is the founder and managing director, Economics Research. Gentlemen, thanks so much for taking the time and good afternoon to the both of you. I'll come to you first, Rahul, on the charts. And the recovery that we've seen from the low point of the day is certainly heartening, but we've seen a very narrow band for the benchmarks for quite a while now. What will it take for us to break out of this?
Good afternoon, Alex. Thank you for having me on the show. Yes, definitely indices are quite in a narrow range. And this range bound setup we have seen this playing out in last week as well. I think currently on charts, the 200-day of exponential moving average on the daily charts, as well as 100 exponential moving days. So the range is being limited to this. On the upside, clearly, if 24,400 or to be precise, 24,385 is a resistance which will be watchful, and on the downside 24,200. In this range we have seen the playing of this Nifty 50. Now talking about the Bank Nifty, which was like earlier doing really good, and we were getting support from PSU bank especially. It is also somehow range bound, and I think 58,000 or 58,300 levels is key resistances currently, and on the downside 57,000, which is somewhere near to its 100 EMA. So range bound setup is being quite